Donuts is our food truck. We started 5 years ago. We fry and tap made to order donuts on the truck. We have 14 different flavors right now, and then we have a craving of the week, which we put up as a special. It starts from simple, like our original glazed donuts, and it goes all the way up to our fruity crunch, which is one of our most popular cravings. Currently, we have one truck, one food truck, and one food trailer. We've been in business 5 years, my husband and myself. We are proud to serve our community, and we just love what we do.